Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. We just rolled a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 280 SLX in the showroom. Let's take a look. Sea deck on the swim step, large sun pad seating, step down into the cockpit, two large captain and co-captain chairs, swivels around. We've got a table mount down here on board shore charger. The tower is power operated with integrated bimini. Nice head with the vacuum pump, porcelain tank. Dual Simrad navigation screens, ample seating for two people, all new digital throttle and shift. Stepping up into the bow area, there's a filler cushion to fill this area in to create a large sun pad. Has a automatic windlass. This is the 2023 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Come by and see me. I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.